And the evidence again suggests, along with political education, that if we encourage young people at 16 and 17 to vote, they become habitual voters. They do engage. I note that you quoted Bob Dylan and the times they are changing. You'll be aware that, of course, that one of the verses opens with the line, "Come senators, congressmen, please heed the call." And I think I would ask, Minister, that you would heed the call of young people, but indeed of an increasing number of views in this House and indeed the other House, that we do look at voting, allowing those aged 16 and 17 to vote. I think the time is there that we can plan for it properly for the local and European elections for 2024. I welcome your commitment today, but I would love to hear you saying that you envisage those aged 16 and 17 going to the ballot box in 2024.